Hey everyone, welcome back to Core with Chandru. Today I'm excited to share a really cool project. This is an AI-powered dental appointment booking system built using the n8n Google Gemini, Google Calendar, the Google Sheets. So imagine that you're running a dental clinic every day. Patients are calling, texting you, or emailing to book appointments. Your staff spends most hours juggling requests, checking schedules, and entering patient details into records. Now, what if an AI can handle all of that automatically? And that's exactly what I built for an imaginary clinic called Pearly White Dental. So here is how it works. Right, first the AI agent powered by Google Gemini understands the patient request through the chatbot, whether it's a new booking, cancellation, or rescheduling. Then it connects to the calendar to check availability in real time. If preferred slot is taken, it offers up to two alternative slots. Then once confirmed, the appointment is automatically booked in the clinic's calendar through the create appointment tool. And at the same time, all the patient details like the name, insurance information, as well as any of the concerns are logged into one Google Sheets for record keeping, so that we know that a person has called and person is having this particular appointment time, and as well as any particular concerns to be raised with the doctor, right? So that's an entire workflow. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick demo of this one. So I open it up. So this is a chat window. So I'll just say hi, and you can see that the workflow is happening over here. So it says, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" So I want to book an appointment. So every time I say this, it goes back to the dental agent and it comes back with the response. Great to help you book an appointment. Could you please tell me your preferred time and date? So let's say that I want to book it on the 5th of September at around 11 a.m. So you see that it constantly, the Gemini 2.5 Flash constantly kind of recognizes it, goes back to the get availability, the calendar, and comes back to two different slots, which is the 11 a.m. and the 9 a.m. So this is to just to give an intuitive appointment booking to the customer, so that if they don't cannot make it on 9 a.m., they can still make it on 11 a.m. and we can still save in some time for that. So let's say that I would go for 11 a.m. Let's just say that it processes the information, it goes back, it says has been successfully monitored, has been successfully booked, and it also says that can you please provide your name so that I can log your details, and also do you have an insurance provider, any specific questions or concerns I should note for your appointment. So what I will do is I'll provide name. My name is Chandru, and my insurance provider is Bupa. I need to have a concern, talk to have a concern to discuss about root canal treatment with the doctor. So let me do this. So it quickly executes all of the workflows, and it comes back saying, "Thank you, Chandru. Your appointment for September 5th at 11 a.m. has been booked, and I'm your insurance provider's Bupa, and your concern regarding root canal treatment to discuss with the doctor. All your deals have been locked." Okay. Now to check that everything has worked through, that we need to have the sheets checked as well, because I have a Google sheet which will talk about this. Let me just open up the sheet here. Yeah, here it is. So you have the call timestamp, you have the patient name, you have the insurance provider Bupa, which I provided on the chat, and also concerns and questions about it, saying the root canal treatment, and also the appointment timestamp on this one, right? So it says 2024 on the 5th of September. I have it at 11 o'clock. So that's it. That's about it, right? So you can literally, anybody can implement this and they can do multiple bookings. I mean, the entire workflow is orchestrated inside n8n with webhooks connecting the pieces together. It even maintains conversation context across interactions, so the dialogues feels natural, just like talking to a human receptionist. So what's the value on this one, right? So it's time saved for the staff. There are like a few manual bookings. You will have all the bookings being manned by the AI agent. There is accurate patient information. There is no lost details. So you have you're logging in all of your patient details in this Google Sheets, which you can refer anytime. and it's absolutely time saving for the clinic as well, right? So you don't have to have a separate a person trying to take down appointment details. This will actually help everybody on this one. So that's about it for the n8n. So this is the first time I've worked around with the n8n. It's fabulous. It seems like it's very interesting, and you can do a lot of things. I'm trying to create a voice agent as well for this one. So hopefully in the next couple of days I can submit something back to you, and you can view this video as well. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye.